Hello everyone. I just want to show you my new Spider. Just picked it up today. A 2002 Alfa Romeo Spider 916. To be good mates with my Julia, which once again I absolutely love. This one's my daily driver. This one here will be a bit of a weekend project car. So yeah, looking forward to doing a bit of work on it and just getting it up to a place where it's actually looking and driving pretty well. So unregistered, unroadworthy at the moment. So I literally just got it home after a long journey. I'm just having a quick walk around on the outside at the moment. We'll start off with the front here. The badges are absolutely faded at the moment, which I think is pretty standard with all these after a number of years. We've got, as you can see there, the bonnet's also faded as well, and same with the bumpers. They've gone like a pinky kind of colour, and I'm not sure if it's picking up in the camera, but you can sort of see a bit of variation between the bonnet and the side fender. Speaking of which, it's got one of the vented fenders on the side there. We've also got the 17-inch, I think they're called Speedline wheels, I'm not too sure, but not the phone dial style. But as I said, these are quite nice nonetheless. My brother who I picked up today with said that they looked Ferrari-like, which is they kind of do actually when I think about it. Just looking sort of at the lines of the car. Just sort of kind of moving right along. As I said, I've hardly had any time to actually look at this car. In fact, it's probably the first time I'm really having a good look at it. The body looks fairly straight. A few dents and scratches and scuffs around sort of there. But once again, nothing too major. The body itself is actually really, really good. Most of it's cosmetic on the outside, especially that fade. Once again, here's a really good example of the difference between the external, which is faded, and the internal, which is fine. And all the fading's happening on the plastic parts as well. So just sort of moving around the back there. Once again, all the badges and everything there faded on the back badge as well. I'm not sure if the antenna works. I have no idea. I don't have a key with me at the moment to jump in the side. Once again, just having a look at the back wheels. Nice. It's in red as well, which is always a nice colour to have on an Alfa. Yeah, so looking pretty good. So let me just quickly show you on the inside of it. I'll jump to the driver's side. I'm not going to start the car because the car is in desperate need of a cam belt change. It's well and truly overdue, so I don't want to risk driving or starting the car if I don't need to. But just having a quick look on the interior. Once again, very, very, very dusty and dirty. But other than that, everything looks in fairly good nick on the inside as well. So just having a bit of a look here. Once again, just let's have a look in here. Okay, got some cables in there. Might have to look around that and just see why that carpet's not quite sitting where it should. But otherwise, everything looks good there. It's got an aftermarket stereo, which honestly I'll probably prefer the original if I can find one, but we'll see what happens. Seats are in pretty good nick, and it's all looking fairly good. So yeah, that's my new Spider. So as I said, I'm going to try and log as many of the little bits of work that I do to it over the coming weeks, months, potentially even years. As I said, I think it's got a really, really good base to start with. Looks as if it's been fairly well looked after, but just needs a little bit of, especially the timing chains and some exterior work on the body as well. But yeah, I think that's it for now. Once again, there's my Julia as well. So nice to have the two Alphas in the garage. That's it for the moment. Thank you very much for watching.